Hi, my name is Corey Fluxtra. Whew, it's hot outside. It's summertime and it's sweating balls outside. It is balls outside. The balls. Tennis balls, basketballs, round. They're shaped like circles, okay? Balls, they're round. Why am I talking about balls for? That's fucking stupid. Why do these sports people always talk about balls? Wanna know what else is balls? These nuts. These nuts are balls. They're round. Okay, that's enough. My name is Corey Fluxtra, and it's hot outside. Well, hot like your mom. Actually, your mom's. Do you have a hot mom? Is she hot? Like Stacy's mom got it going on. I don't know if that's the actual um words to the song. Stacy's mom got it going on. But anyways, my name is Corey Fluxtra, and today we're gonna be talking about birds. I like birds. It's too hot outside to even look at birds when they're just swinging from tree to tree, branch to branch. No, that's a monkey, not a bird. Monkey? I thought those were birds. Birds fly with wings, and monkeys, oh, they got some other, yeah. So, I just found in my backyard, beyond outside this house, I saw through the window, and I saw outside this house. That doesn't make any sense. It's either you're inside the house or you're outside of the house. Well, I saw through the fucking window a magnificent bird. It looked just like a Greek mythology. What do you mean by that? Well, the mythology of mythology. You talking about crystal meth? No. I am talking to you about imaginary creatures, mythical beings, magical creatures. And what I saw is the most magical bird. I bet you if I get up so close to that bird and actually look it straight in the face, this bird would actually look like something else. Like a phoenix? Well, phoenixes are more spiritual. They're totally made up. Well, actually, I think they're just made out of fire. Okay, they don't have feathers. Their feathers are made out of burnt, dead. Because they're about rebirth, the flames of rebirth. But I kind of think this is the bird that they call a cockatrice or cocatrice. What the fuck's a cocatrice, Corey Fluxtra? Well, I'll tell you that a cockatrice is a magnificent bird. It's one of the descendants or of the phoenix, but it's like if you get a lizard to mate or have sex with a phoenix or a bird or a chicken, you get a cockatrice. Okay? You give birth to a cockatrice. So you're talking about your cock. No, I'm not talking about my cock. Okay? That'd be gay. I'm not talking about cocks. I'm not talking about balls. I'm not talking about nutsacks. I'm talking about cockatrice. Cockatrice, or I may have saying the word wrong. If I'm saying the word wrong, then I don't know. Shut up. This is a cockatrice. If I were to go up so close to that bird, if I could do it, if I could safely approach that bird, if I could safely approach that bird, I would see that this isn't just any old bird. It is a cockatrice. Yeah, but a cockatrice is half lizard, half bird. So this is a really big bird. Not from Sesame Street, no. Rats. I wish that was a fire-breathing bird. That'd be funny if there was an episode of Sesame Street that has Big Bird breathe fire out of his beak. Just go. I don't know. Cockatrice. Ugh. I think we better stick with the word Phoenix. But there's also Phoenix, Arizona. But that's named after the bird. The fictional bird creature. And I found a cryptid called the cockatrice. You better believe it. I just saw it through the window. If I saw it through the window, wouldn't that mean that I gotta have more proof than that of seeing cockatrice, cockatrice, diet cockatrice. We need an actual picture, but nobody takes pictures anymore. They take pictures with their phone. So that's what they do nowadays. They take pictures with their cell phones. This kind of makes me wonder if those pictures you take with your phone, would people actually believe you if you saw like real aliens or mythical beings? Would they actually? They won't believe you either way. But we're gonna hunt a cockatrice. I don't know what they want. I don't know what they eat. I'm gonna set up a trap. The cockatrice just ate. I saw it. That bird, lizard-like bird, eat a rat off, and I saw this through the window. And I couldn't go outside because it was too hot out. That's the reason why I didn't went outside, just to see this magnificent bird. So the cockatrice remains a mystery. Did I actually see a cockatrice or a phoenix or a well, cockatrices are probably phoenixes, but the cockatrice probably can't rebirth. Make him the most realistic version of yeah, so I gotta go. Bye.